Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 50 EMA on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then click on indicators here at the top left. Go to the search bar and type EMA. Choose this one, Moving Average Exponential, because EMA stands for Moving Average Exponential. So click on it just one time and this is our EMA. Now let's make it a 50 EMA. Go to EMA 9 here, click on these three dots, settings, go to input and change 9 to 50 and click on OK. Now this is our 50 EMA. If you want to change the color, go to these three dots, settings, style, and we have here the colors. You can choose any color from these. So I will choose, for example, this green. And we have here also the thickness. You can change it if you want. For example, I will choose this one. We have here the opacity. Also, you can play with it if you want. And after that, just click on OK. Now, this is our 50 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.